Now this big girl just came home from the hospital. Do you want to sit up? So we got you a chair. You sitting in your chair? Do you feel better? Do you feel better? How about your duck? You like your duck? Hey, bobblehead. I'm trying to get a smile out of you. You're just staring. Yeah. Are you having fun? Or you are? That's what I'm talking about.